If you're seeking a rose scent like no other, you'll instantly fall for Out Rose. Every note hits like the perfect balance, blending seamlessly into a whole new level. Plus, the opening experience is out of this world. The packaging is so thoughtful and it's perfect for a gift. The aroma is seductive and sweet, with many scents like Bulgarian rose, velvety vanilla, and even a whisper of powdery violet. You can hold the perfume 6 to 8 inches away from your skin, and for a longer lasting fragrance, layer with an unscented lotion first. I've never smelled something like this before. It smells like a summer night, an elegant dinner, or even a spring field. This is an absolutely lovely aroma. I wish you guys could smell it through the screen right now. I love that this perfume has a lot of commitment with safety and sustainability. It's vegan, cruelty-free, free from parabens, phthalates, and sulfates. And if you want to feel even more beautiful inside and out, go ahead and try this perfume.